I've played DPS and I've played support. I used to play tank quite a bit. Let me actually see. Hang on, I'm curious. Let me cancel this. Let's go all modes, time played. We got Diva's 12 hours, and then there's my most played tank. Where's my next most played tank? A Roadhog. And then I've got Reinhardt at 5 and Orisa at 4. Oh my god, okay. I used to play quite a lot of Diva in Overwatch 1. Alright. I want to try and, like, I don't know. I just want to play some tank, get my bearings with it, and maybe we'll do tank placements. I don't think we will. I don't want to. I've heard some horror stories of, like, people trying to solo queue tank, and it's just, yeah. I'm good. I am good. I don't want to deal with that, to be honest. If I can avoid that, I will. I'll try. I've even, like, changed my keybinds to, like, so I could, like, spam voice lines as I murder people. It's great. I don't know what it is about, like, spamming a voice line as you, like, attacking someone. It's just hilarious to me. You literally just be spamming. I literally just be spamming voice lines as I kill people. I'll be hitting this one. I'll just be spamming that shit while I'm wiping someone. Oh, there's another ram. Oh my god, wait, there's another ram. Wait. Yeah, hold up. We gotta go run this ram's shit real quick. I'm not doing very tanky things right now, but okay, well, Corb's being a bum. Okay, and I got slapped by a fucking Ana. We dead ass, bro. Where are you, fucking bitch? Fucking die! Oh my god, these fucking healers are goated, dude! I had that bitch 1 HP for like 5 minutes, dude. What the fuck? Yo, where are my healers at, by the way? I'm kinda... Why are we healing the Hanzo, bro? Can I get some heals, dude? Get mad. I mean, I don't need them, but still. Bro, heal me. Oh my fucking god, bro. Like, brother, can we... What is this fucking matchup right now? Ana's hitting, like, every sleep dart in existence. This fucking Bursty keeps pocketing a DPS instead of me. Can I get some fucking healing, please, bro? I can't do my job if I'm dead, bro. Can we fucking... Get him. Yes. Come here. Come here. Okay, we're not gonna chase that fully, but his other ram's kind of a fucking Chad, bro. He's kind of kicking my ass.
Fight back, nigga! Fight
Come
back,
here, come here, Ram.
Fight back!
No, he's so weak. Yes, we got him. I'm being rezzed. Come here, boy. Oh, he fucking slapped me, you bum. Come here, yeah. Okay, we got another double. We got another double. We kind of have to lock in here, bro. This is insane. Am I being ulted right now? Oh my god, I'm being ulted right now. Oh my god, I nearly got him too. This is not the fun experience I was expecting going in here. This guy ulted to save himself, bro. What a fucking bum. Stop telling me your ultimate is ready, Hanzo, and fucking use it, my guy. What are we doing? Oh, okay, bro. This Ana keeps fucking sleeping me like an absolute bum. Yes. Kill this fucking Torb. Oh my god, this jump strafe. The jump strafe goes crazy. Kill this fucking Torb. I'm totally tunneling on him, but I don't care. Yeah, this is a fucking fat GG's, bro. Just give him the fucking point, to be honest. Can we just go to the next game already? What the fuck, bro? That was a crazy fucking game, bro. What the fuck, dude? Bro, I wasn't expecting to, like, get my ass kicked that badly on the first fucking game, bro. This is quick match, bro. Can we chill? I don't think that Ana missed a single fucking sleep dart on me. She hit, like, every single one. I mean, I'm a big target, don't get me wrong, but still. Their healers were on point, bro. That's how you know healers are on point, is when they're annoying as fuck, bro. Lifeweaver was always, like, gripping your kills. Fucking Ana's, like, sleeping you and shit, bro. There's just a mercy you can't fucking kill. Like, the more annoying the support is, the better they are at the game. Oh yeah, hit that jig, hit that jiggy. Hit that jiggy jig, bruh. Hell yeah. Oh, we got a healer, yay. I swear to god, if you grip me out of a fucking fight, I'm about to win, I swear to god. I'm telling you right now. Okay. Oh my god, I love spamming voice lines while I kill people. Come here, buddy. Or I will. Yeah. Okay, well, Lifeweaver's dead. Rest in peace. Bro, he did an immortality field and an ultimate to kill me. That's fucking insane. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. How are you not dead? Fuck off, you stupid cats! Oh my god. How in the fuck did that road fucking goofy Reinhardt? Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna make you my bitch, bro. Come here. Fuck you. How dare you survive my ult? Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Oh my god, we kind of just ran through them. That was insane. That was a team kill. We just went to their spawn, ran their shit and left, bro. What the fuck was that? That was great. We just had to show them who was on top, you know. I had to show them who was running this game. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Huge ult, huge ult, huge ult, huge ult. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Ram is the funnest tank to play. I don't care what anyone says. That is fucking ridiculous, bro. Oh my god. Yes. Come here. Oh my god, bro. Jesus Christ. They switched to Roadhog? I'll run this Roadhog's fade. I don't care. Come here, buddy. Oh, I got my ult again. I got my ult again. I got my ult again. Fuck you, bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? I'm punching things. I'm just punching things, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I imagine I got played the game. That was a little fucking ridiculous. What the hell was that game? I'm just spamming the voice line as I'm just running through their team. Bro. We went 31-3. Holy fucking shit, bro. The matchmaking correction is going to go insane. Am I going to get MVP as well? Oh my god, I did. W, let's go. We treated that last enemy team like they fucking, like I came home and they burnt dinner, bro. I just fucking put belt ass on them, bro. What was that? Why did I pick Diva? I want to play some Reinhardt at some point. I got a voice line for Reinhardt that he just screams catchphrase. So you imagine just walking into an enemy team, swinging a hammer and just spamming catchphrase. Like, it'd just be the dumbest shit ever. There is no way. This guy is level 170 on fucking May, bro. Holy shit. Okay. Can we, like, put this guy in jail? Holy fuck, bro. He doesn't deserve to be a part of society. Who the fuck does that? Okay, Sombra, why are we hacking the tank, bro? I mean, I appreciate the effort, but, like, what the fuck are you doing? That is like the biggest of ball moves I've ever seen. Oh my god, Bastion ulted me, oh my god. Bro. Where the fuck are my healers, bro? Why is my Mercy in spawn? What the fuck are we doing, bro? Hello? I can't do my job if I'm dead, bro. Please. Can we get some heals up in this bitch? That'd be great. Come here. Come here. Come here. God damn. Kill this fuck ass tank, bro, please. Where the fuck is bro? Oh yeah, the Hanzo switch. That's gonna save the game. Bro, Sombra, you're not winning this in a million years, bro. Go away. Holy fucking ego on that tank, bro. What the fuck was that? We are never going to win this in a million years, but I appreciate your effort, teammates. Like, I don't know what this deal Sombra is. I don't know what that Sombra's deal is, bro. Oh, I didn't even get to play the game. Fuck this Baptiste, bro. Ram is a lot of fun, dude. I don't know if he's enough fun to make me want to do my tank placements in ranked. That's stretching it a little bit there. Bro, after the whole fucking fiasco I had with queuing as a healer, bro, no fucking shot, bro. I'd rather just be a DPS, get my support picks, do my own thing, and not have to worry about anything, you know? Like, fuck me. Jesus, like, when you're playing healer, you got bad DPS. When you're playing tank, you got bad healers. It's just like, I just want to sit in DPS and just get my picks, do my thing, and not have to worry about terrible teammates for the most part. Sometimes they're just so bad at, you know, you can't do anything, but Is what it is. That's gonna be a GG's. I'm gonna get the fuck out this bitch.